Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I'm Whitney in case you're new here, and today I have the Mini Breaker palette by Jeffree Star. And so I'm just gonna do an eye look with it, but I also wanted to review it. I know this is super late, but I got inspired. I saw the Jaclyn Hill promo video for her new collaboration with Morphe, and I kind of got inspired to do a colored eye look from the pictures that I saw. So we will be doing the Mini Breaker palette, and so yeah, let's just get started. So first, let's look up how much this palette actually is. So I'm on JeffreeStarCosmetics.com. Sorry about my hair. My hair is crazy today. So I braided it last night and I undid it, and this is what happened. This is what I ended up with. So I kind of think in the end it'll end up looking pretty good, but right now it just looks crazy. But yes, so I'm on his website, and on the website it says that the palette is $28. So $28 is pretty good. You get 9 different shadows. So here they are. And we'll just swatch them. I'm gonna swatch them on my arm for you guys so that you can take a look at them. So first we have Double Scoop. It's kind of like a peachy orange shade. Then we have Orange Crush. It's pretty pigmented. Next we have Foreplay, and Foreplay is a bright purple, and that is the top row. So the next one is Oral. Oral's got like a shift to it, like a duochrome shift to it. So it's purple, and then as you shift it, it looks blue. But that is Oral. These names, right? Pretty crazy. I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and take off what I have on my fingers so far, because I've run out of fingers. So next we have Purple Punch. Purple Punch, wow, that is super pigmented. Slice, which is also very pretty. I'm gonna swatch on this arm because I'm running out of space over here. So we have Bubblegum. It's definitely a pink color, like a Barbie pink, I would say. Then we have Bite Me, which is a really pretty purple color. And I definitely want to use this one today. It's like Barbie right there, right? And last but not least, we have Hot Fudge. So yeah. So now that I've swatched them for you guys, we've talked about the price, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eye look. I've moisturized my skin, no primer, but I have done my eyebrows and I've also primed my eyes. And so they're ready to go. So I'm gonna start with this Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. Again, this is the one that I got from BoxyCharm a couple months back, and I'm just gonna reach into Double Scoop. And I'm gonna use the Double Scoop as a transition shade for the whole look. So if you guys can tell, that is the thing about Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Well, his palettes, they are super pigmented. So it's just like going in one time, right? Just making sure everything's blended and it looks good. So we're almost there. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna take this Morphe R37 brush and I'm gonna go into Orange Crush. That is the super bright orange. I just dip in, tap off the excess, and that way I'm not packing so much onto my eye right now, because that's really not what I want to do at this very moment. Later on, yes, but for now, no. I'm gonna go ahead and go with Purple Punch, and Purple Punch is this one right here. And so with that, I'm gonna use the R38 brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna put that deeper into my crease. So this worked out in my head. I'm hoping it works out in real life too. But I'm gonna go into Bite Me now. And so Bite Me will just go ahead and darken it up even more. It's that real pretty purple color right there. And I'm gonna take this Morphe brush. It looks like this. It doesn't have a name though, so I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go ahead and use Bite Me to deepen up everything. And we'll just do the windshield wiper motion all the way across. Okay, so we've got the orange, we've got the purple, and now I want to do pink, but to do the pink, I'm going to do a cut crease, and so I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium, and I'll use this MAC brush, and it's so old that I actually can't see the number of it, but it's made in Japan, and it looks like this. And so I'll use this to go ahead and cut the crease. And now I'm going to take the bubblegum color and I'll just pack it on into my eye. So that is the bright, bright pink color. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so I'm going to do some more face makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So just to recap on what I did, so I primed with the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. I used the MAC Studio Fix Fluid for my foundation. To set my makeup, I did the Becca Hydra Mist. And then my bronzer, I use Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. My lashes are Ardell, the wispies that they have. It came in a pack of 5. And also I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Just to finish up the eyes, or the eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into a mix of bubblegum and Purple Punch. And Then I'm gonna get the Bite Me color, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that one as close to the inner waterline as possible. Next, I'm gonna take the black liner. It's the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner, and it's in the color Swerve. So, and I'll go ahead and line the lower waterline. So that should pretty much take care of our eyes. I saved the highlighter because I have the Kylie Sunday Brunch highlighter that I wanted to try on with you guys. And so we'll just try it out and see what it looks like. And I'm gonna be putting it on with this Royal and Langnickel fan brush. It says BMD 300 and it looks like this. It's just a regular fan brush. I'm not really sure where I got this one, but it probably came in like a BoxyCharm or something. But yes, we'll take the Sunday Brunch, and it's a really pretty shade. It looks like this. Let's see what it looks like on my skin though. But this one's pretty. It's like a subtle highlight. Oh, look at that. Okay. I'll put some upper lip, one down the nose, other side. It looks pretty good. So I got this on her website recently. She had like a 2 for $25 sale. And so it worked out really well. I got this one and then also Salted Caramel, which I haven't had a chance to try yet. But if this one gives you any idea of how the other one will work, then we should be pretty good. All right, what do you guys think? Last but not least, we'll do the lips. And for lips, I have to find it because it's disorganized right here. But I have the Kylie Coconut liner, and then Kylie liquid, or the Velvet lipstick for Savage. And my pencil is very little, but we'll make it work. So one more thing, I'm sorry, I forgot. Iconic London, it's the Prep Set and Glow. And I love this thing because it looks like this, right? It's really, really pretty, but it also works really well. So just like turn. Spray up. And we are set to go out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this look and what other kind of videos you guys are interested in seeing. And if you've made it this far, thank you. Thank you for watching. So like it, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.